I went and bought this mini fan from the dollar store because the goal is to have it so that the arms slingshot off of it because my colors are yellow and green. But looks like the fan that I bought doesn't, like this part. Oh, there we go. I was just not trying right. So I'm taking off the plastic cover, and to give the costume a little bit of flair, I am using a Spiderman. So the goal is we're going to attach him here, and then this will spin around and flail everything about. Whoa. Ah! Okay. Now that this is dry, we have our wind tunnels. I got mine from the dollar store, so when they spin around, oh gosh, you hear that noise. So when the fan moves, you will get the wah, wah, wah. So I'm going to use hot glue. Shit, I was going to have you... Now that Spider-Man is complete, kinda, we're going to work with the following items. So we're going to work with these pot stands, a stretch utility strap, and a knee pad with hot glue, these golf tees, and some. So attempting to get Spider-Man to spin on something was impossible. So those utility straps are now together, and we are going to glue Spider-Man on to them. This is so Spider-Man can hang out on my waist, and I'm going to attach him eventually to my shoulders. So it's easier for you guys. I'm doing it on the part where it like hooks, because it's nothing worse than trying to hook something to yourself that's not where it's supposed to be. So we're gonna use our good old friend hot glue here, and we are gonna mix some fabric fusion in there because you can never do enough of that, in my opinion. Really, the more glue you have, the better. Oh, the camera's not really on it. Okay. And, oh, we are gonna stick him on. Take the pot stand and we are gonna glue it on to this so that it looks like Doc Ock's arms coming for everything. Wow. So we're just gonna use hot glue again, but I'm also gonna mix up a little crazy glue with this one. Just for sake of crazy glue. Crazy glue. So you want to do this so that this part's sticking out, because the goal is to find those LED lights and stick it in there. So the knee pads are going to go on the shoulders, and they're going to support the arms since moving is not an option this time. So these golf pegs are being used to be pinned there, and then it's going to hold it up. Again, crazy glue's our friend. And hot glue. Oh, we have stickiness 101.
What are you doing here? Do you know about a place called The Store? Or is it like a cool pop-up? Because I never go anywhere fun.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, well I should go because there's a new Dateline on tonight about professional single women getting murdered, and I should probably watch that.
Yeah, I'm just...
Next, we're going to attach these onto the arms. Okay, man, I have to pretend like it's on my back. So now we're going to pin this on. And I already measured how much space I need for it to be forward on my shoulder. So I need about 20 rings. So, yeah. And then that way it'll be in front of my face and won't bug me personally. So, I'm gonna put the glue on the top there. And okay, so while Spider-Man dries, we are using this crop top from Urban Behavior that was $15 and reflective tape from the dollar store. I want to make sure it shows up. This was $1.25, and just to kind of give it that action packed, we're going to have it kind of come around and look really badass. We're also going to be using material from a reflective security vest to be the centerpiece, because it almost looks like she's wearing a yellow shirt but with like a black kind of backpack thing, if that makes sense. So we're going to cut the tape. That should work. As you can see, I don't really measure things like most people do. Kind of just leave it to the wind. Oh wait, they should probably line up. So, okay. And now we just stick it on. Really easy. Oh, fun fact, I cut it and it's separated. So, learning style. So, how do we... Oh, I wonder if it's because I cut it. Hang on. Nope, that's just how it rolls. Okay, well, I guess you guys are seeing what happens when you end up having to get really creative in the moment. So, reflective tape. Let's try and fix this boo-boo I accidentally made. Goes like that. Goes like that. Why does it... Oh, because... down more. This actually looks waste. We are using, you can use a black one because her base is black, or I had better luck finding a bright yellow one that was already in my closet. So it's just a basic bandeau. To stretch it out so it's like actually on my body, I am going to use a pillow when I decorate it. So put it on the pillow. Oh God. Okay. Whew. Okay. Clearly I got a little bit of weight to lose on the torso. Thank you, Forever 21. I believe this bandeau was like $3 when I did get it. I'm just gonna... Oh, let's hope I don't put a big hole in it, because that's the worst when that happens. Right. Ah, shoot. Okay. And now we're just gonna like decorate it and give it a 3D effect. So I'm gonna use the stickers again to create that kind of button look she had going on. I feel like you guys can get a better view if I... Okay. Maybe. So, first sticker. And I'm going to glue them all down once they're there in a fashion that I like. To give it kind of a bling effect and shine in the light, I'm going to use these diamonds from the dollar store. They're a rhinestone mesh. I already cut it long enough for what I need, and I'm cutting. Our pillow is complete, so we get the reflective light happening. You know, she's all intense. So this will be in the core. I didn't if you look, I only glued the ends. That way I can, you know. For the fight scene, since I have a Spider-Man, I need a computer box. So I'm using a FabFitFun box because the size is computerish. And I'm going to wrap it with the backside of wrapping paper and some cellophane to kind of give it like a technical look. Okay, so I just wanted to put it on for a test run, and this worked out really good putting it on the pillow, but I forgot that I was endowed. So when I put the sticker, even though the stickers were glued on, they all came off. But as you can see, the knee pads on my shoulders give it that look. So I just have to re-glue the stickers, and then I've got that bling kind of happening, and these are track pants that happen to come with the yellow and white, but you could just put that on any pair of black track pants. And I need help getting into it to put the strap of Spider-Man on, as you can see, but then he would pin to my back. Ooh. Next we are doing the red laser part in these guys. These two have not been added already. I forgot to do that beforehand, but we're just using these assorted color sheets from the dollar store, which I've already taken out of the packaging. And we're just gonna cut. Make sure you always put something underneath. I have a bad habit of forgetting that, and my carpet does not like when I do that. Again, hot glue, it's our best friend. Stick it on. Ooh, it's always hot. You're never prepared for how hot hot glue is going to be. Again, we always use Dollarama products here. And the reason for this is because in the movie, the thing is more white. So we're gonna wrap it around to give it that kind of clear, funkified look. Oh. Yeah, okay. Okay. So you see, it's just changing the color. So the reason I'm doing this after adding this part, the knee pad. Sometimes after you put your costume on, it turns out you end up having last minute hiccups. So I am now stapling on the stickers. Bye, Connor. She's like,